Today we're going to be looking at this water cooler from Be Quiet. It's the Pure Loop 2. Now you might think we've reviewed this in the past. We haven't, because this is a new variation of it. The version we've reviewed before was the FX model, which basically had lots of RGB lighting on the fans. This has actually got some new high-speed fans in, and we're going to actually test it today to see how well it actually performs. The Be Quiet Pure Loop 2 is a German-engineered all-in-one water cooling unit that seamlessly combines efficiency with silence. It features a PWM-adjustable pump, pure wing-free PWM high-speed fans for silent, efficient cooling, and is available in 4 radiator sizes: 120, 240, 280 and 360mm to suit various cooling needs. With a doubly decoupled pump to reduce vibration, a nickel-coated cold plate for effective cooling, and a sleek all-black design, it's compatible with mainstream Intel and AMD desktop processors, offering a premium yet budget-friendly cooling solution. The Pure Loop 2 arrives in a quintessentially black Be Quiet box, showcasing an enticing image of the cooling maestro front and centre. With the model name gracefully adorning the packaging, a QR code on one side beckons you to the product page. On the other side of the box, it lists the main specs from CPU socket compatibility to fan speed. The rear of the box is a visual treat, revealing images of the product alongside a list of its primary features. As you delve into the box, a plethora of essentials greet you. Unfortunately, they're all wrapped in single-use plastic packaging. You'll find a refill bottle, a manual, a disposal form, and the Pure Wing Free PWM high-speed fans alongside bracket, screws, thermal paste, fittings, and the cooler itself. Everything you'll need to set sail on a tranquil cooling adventure. Although we have sung praises of these fans in a separate review, we'll just give you a quick refresher. The fans will spin up to 2100 RPM, and they will adjust their speed based on the motherboard's feedback with the 4-pin PWM connection. For those yearning for an RGB version, this one has no RGB on the fans itself, but there is a Pure Loop FX model which we reviewed around about a year ago. The radiator with its Pure Loop branding stands as a bastion of cooling efficiency with a thickness of around 27mm, which may vary across different sizes, and a total of about 52mm including the fans. It echoes the brand's commitment to quality. Flexibility is a hallmark of the tubing, adorned with a braided texture. A unique feature that sets it apart is the pump is integrated within the tubing, a deviation from the conventional placement in the radiator or the CPU block. The CPU block has a pristine shiny finish on the bottom, promising a brilliant contact with your CPU. There is also RGB lighting around the edges of the top, which will illuminate the inside of your PC case. Just a gentle reminder though, peel off the sticker on the base, otherwise you're not going to get a very good contact with the CPU and have overheating issues. And don't forget the thermal paste as well. Make sure you apply that onto your CPU before installation. So down to testing. We tested on an Intel i7-12700K processor. We tested all the tests on exactly the same machine, only difference was that the coolers were different. And you can see here we're putting it up against the Arctic Liquid Freezer 2 as well as the FX model. The model what we've tested today is the one on the right hand column, and as you can see the CPU average temperature with the fans running at 50% speed, as you can see here, runs at round about 75 degrees Celsius, which is a lot better than the FX model and just behind that Liquid Freezer 2. In the next test we do the same thing, but we're testing the max temperature instead of the average, and again the fans running at 50% speed. The FX model unfortunately failed this test as it basically thermal throttled, which meant that the Be Quiet Pure Loop, which wasn't the FX model, came in at 92 degrees compared to the Arctic Liquid Freezer at 85 degrees, so you can see the Arctic's performing a lot better there. So on these next tests, we do exactly the same thing again. This is the average temperature, but this time the fan is running at 100%. And you can see here, the pure loop non-FX model actually beats out the other two by, well, 1 degree. Not a huge amount, but 1 degree nevertheless. So as you can see here, that it actually performs a lot better when the fans are going at 100% rather than 50%. So take that either way. On this next test, same again, but we're looking at the maximum temperature they get up to. And as you can see here, the Be Quiet Pure Loop 2 came in second place, sort of halfway between the liquid freezer as well as the FX model. So it performed pretty well, again, performing better when it's working flat out rather than when it's running at 50% compared to the others. So overall, doing very well in comparison, considering again for the price of the model, it's not the most expensive water cooler on the market. In this test, we tested decibels levels, so basically how loud it is above room decibel levels of 37.4 decibels. And here, as you can see, we got 11 and 12 decibels between them all, so really not much of a difference, where the Be Quiet came in 1 decibel above the Arctic, but in all honesty, would you hear the difference in real life? Probably not, but still performs well, and considering its price, it does actually do very well. The Be Quiet Pure Loop 2 all-in-one water cooling unit is not just a component, it's a statement of quiet efficiency and a testament to German engineering prowess. I hope you enjoyed this video, and no, I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.